Today we're talking about our arch and our instep. Our arch being the underside of our foot and our instep being on the top. Our arch specifically is what we use when we point our foot, and it helps support us when we're doing our toe stands and point work and things of that nature. To help us find it though and engage it can be a little bit of a challenge. So one of the ways that I encourage my dancers to work their arch is to keep your foot flat on the floor and draw a line from your knee down to your ankle. So that way it's a nice straight line. From there, use like a finger or two and put it underneath your foot so you can try to feel under there while we do this. I want you to keep your toes straight, and I want you to try to lift in the middle of your foot, and you should feel it feels tight. That is your arch. What I often encourage my dancers to do is to do this as a repetition. So pull it up for 4 counts and then release it for 4 counts. When you do this, you want to make sure that you're not knuckling over and clenching. It's just a lift and an engagement of the arch and release. To give you a different view, my toes are here as I pull up. To talk about our instep, now we're talking about more of the top of our foot and the shape that our foot creates when we are pointing. And for that, one of the things we look for is when we're extended, our toe, the knuckle of our big toe, being equal to or lower than our ankle joint, and specifically our ankle bone. This gives us a nice solid foundation for which we can stand on. So to test that out, we want to lengthen our leg so our knee is not bent and point our foot. And we should be able to see ankle bone and our toe bone pressing up and over. Ideally, we can also work our foot to get our toes towards the floor, and we want to be able to do that without applying pressure. This should happen naturally. My feet are a little tight right now, so unfortunately I'm not setting the greatest of examples. However, hopefully you can still get the gist. Thank you for watching, and check back soon.